ninjas! I'm in this weird new secret room that this old hacker has been in. Go away! This is locked. He can't get through. But what is this place? Is this where he's been living? How do I get out of here? There's a door here. It's locked. There's gotta be a way out. Are these walls real? Hello? This is a fake. Something just fell on me. Oh my god. What the heck? What? It's just a fake spider. Is this a fake fireplace? Is this whole entire thing fake? Hello? Chad? Daniel? Regina?
Hey, come here, hey, what are you doing? Let me out of here. What the heck, I just fell down a hole and now I'm in this jail cell. What, dude, where am I?
If it isn't my lucky day, I caught another one.
What do you mean you caught another one? One of the other spy ninjas has been down here?
Plenty of them.
Well, who was it?
That remains to be seen.
Ow! Don't poke me with your cane. I'll poke you with my foot.
Make yourself comfortable.
Who is this hacker? I've never ran into this hacker before. He sounds like he's an older hacker. Excuse me, hacker, sir. You said another spy ninja was down here? Is that what you said?
Another fly in my trap.
By fly, do you mean spy?
You might as well make yourself at home, for this will be your home for the next era.
Guys, I gotta find a way to get out of here. I followed the coordinates that Daniel sent me on, so this has gotta be where V went. The other fly you caught in your hatch or coop or whatever you call it, was it a short little fly with black hair?
Only one of my most treasured students.
One of your most treasured students?
I was a detention supervisor.
You're telling me that the person that was in here earlier used to have to go to detention in school and you would supervise them? Is that what you're saying?
Oh, of course. They did not listen to the rules. All you have to do is listen to the rules and your time will be swift.
Spy ninjas, I'm still trapped in cyber tech. They caught me, and now I'm stuck in this office with PZ3.
You thought that you could trick me, PZ4, but you were wrong.
You know what, PZ3, I'm just gonna leave. Okay. Jeez.
This door here. Wait, shh. Wait, is that Chad? Chad, is that you?
Yeah, it's me!
Are you over there by yourself, Chad?
I've got your backpack, V. I found your backpack. I brought it to you. I'm here to save you. I'm here to rescue you, V.
He has my backpack over there. Is the old hacker still over there?
Yeah, hey, can you be quiet real quick? I want to talk to my wife. Hey, V, I'm over here. Yeah, the old man's being really loud and annoying.
Spy ninjas, Chad is on the other side now. I don't know how he got there. He must have went down the same tunnel that I did. I need to figure out a way to get the old hacker out of here so that me and Chad can reunite together and get the heck out of this place. But how do I do that? I can't go back here because this is locked now. I trapped him in.
Are you trying to find out more information about GKC?
Oh, wow. Why, yes, I am. How did you know that?
Your lover was asking the same thing. I shall tell you secrets.
Wait, I hear V's voice. V!
Oh, there he is.
V! I'm over here.
You have returned? Are you going to open the gate?
Are you gonna go away?
Hey, you leave her alone, Mr. Hacker.
Chad! Oh my gosh, I haven't seen you in so long!
Open this gate
No.
immediately.
Why should I listen to you, old man? You can't poke me anymore, so I'm not scared of you.
If you do not open this gate, I will send your husband to detention.
We're not in the GKC school anymore. Detention? I'm not afraid of you.
Hey, Hacker. It looks like you're locked up in there, too. I don't see any way for you to escape.
If your wife wants to free you, she must free me as well.
Why are you locked up? What'd you do?
It was your wife, Qwaint. She has done this.
Whoa, Chad is talking to the old hacker dude. I'm gonna explore this room to see if there's anything I can use to get out of here. Whoa, are these real blasters? Oh no, they're just fake. So we're good. There's nothing in this fireplace here. Ugh, creepy chair. So what about this table here? It's very tall. Okay, seems like a normal table. There's a bear rug here. Let's look under the rug. Usually people hide keys under the rug. Nope, there's rope here. Is this the rope that the old man used to tie Regina when she was trapped in here? Okay, I might need this for later. Ugh, who is this? Could it be the old man hacker's wife? Okay, so there's a cabinet here. Looks like it's just empty. Guys, it's locked. This is the boombox. This boombox looks exactly like the one that the boombox guy was carrying in the picture with the Project Zorgo leader and Joseph Banks. I don't think it looks exactly the same, but it's extremely similar.
You're not going anywhere, PZ4. God, bring in the other prisoner.
What? Another prisoner? Did they catch Daniel? Perlita! Perlita, are you okay? Oh gosh. Okay, we're gonna find a way out of here, don't worry.
It's time to teach the prisoners a lesson.
All right, I'm gonna see what's inside V's bag right here. And hopefully there's something in there that can help me get out of here. Oh! What? Where did you guys drop in from?
I don't know, we were sitting on chairs, and the next thing you know, we're falling through this tunnel, and now we're in jail with Chad and...
Oh my gosh, yeah, well, don't talk to that guy. He's crazy.
Goody, goody! More flies in my trap! The leader will surely be delighted!
V is right over here through this other door. I heard her voice.
Chad, did I hear Regina over there? Yeah, I'm alone over here though. What is going on? So everyone is getting trapped for some reason?
I will surely get a large retirement for capturing all 4 of you.
Yeah, well, you're trapped in here just like the rest of us. You've got flies in your trap, but we've got an old fly right over here flying around. Ha, how do you like that?
I have initiated a silent alarm.
A silent alarm?
What is this guy talking
I
about?
don't know.
Shortly, there will be more PZ members here. The members will be arriving in the room that your wife is in.
Chad, how have you been dealing with this man?
Someone's at the door! Someone's at the door! Oh, shit.
Better lock it up, just in case. Look at this old man. He's always locking himself in here. I swear I have to come down here at least 2 times a week to unlock him out. Hey, what's going on in here? You locked yourself down in here, kid?
No. It was the work of the spy ranger.
Yeah, sure, whatever. I come down here at least twice a week to unlock you out because you always end up locking yourself in here. You're so forgetful.
Feast your eyes. I have captured 3.
Oh, look at this one. Oh, this is a weird one. I've never seen this one before.
This one?
She's not weird.
She's cool.
Can you watch them for me, you young whippersnapper?
Well, they're all locked up here in this cell, so I think I can handle that job.
Before you leave, you must find the 4th spy ninja, the one who locked me in here.
Okay, goodbye.
Let me lock the door behind you.
Okay. Oh, great. Is this other guy staying in here with us?
¿Qué está pasando?
Yeah, where is the pasta? That's what I'm saying. I'm hungry too.
¿Qué está pasando? What's happening?
You see, Perlita, this is Project Zorgo. They're bad guys, and they like to lock up spy ninjas like flies.
He's coming in, he's coming in.
All right, yeah, let me get, yeah, come on, buddy.
Wait, I thought I saw something.
Yeah, whatever.
Damn,
I'll find this magical 4th spy ninja that locked you in this room. I swear you're getting worse every day.
Oh my gosh, that was so close. It seems like that new hacker doesn't believe the old guy because he's kind of like senile or something. I'm safe for now. I don't think that new hacker knows that I'm in this room even. He has a key. It's gotta be the key to get out of here.
Okay, while they're chatting out in that other room and looking for V, let's try to escape out of here.
This guy has a fanny pack on.
Oh, careful.
Ooh, he's scary.
I think he's fake. I think he's here just to scare us.
Oh boy.
Oh, jeez. It's you.
What do you guys think you're doing in here, huh?
Oh, I like the other guy better, the older gentleman.
Well, he's gone now and you're stuck with me.
Who are you? His lackey?
No, I'm nobody's lackey. I'm the dude who's got the key.
You know, if we weren't behind these bars, Perlita could kick your little tushy. Las llaves. Keys.
We gotta keep an eye on those. We're gonna have to get those later.
Maybe we can get a really long stick
Yeah.
and then you know, jab him with it and get the keys.
Okay, where are we gonna get that?
Here. Coat hanger?
Huh.
What are you guys talking about over here?
We're just talking about how cool you look with those red gloves. They look really nice.
I don't believe you for a second.
Maybe coming from a lady, he'll believe it more.
You look cool.
Hey, you can't touch me. You can't touch me. Yeah, come on.
This guy thinks he's MC Hammer over here. He can't touch this.
That's right. You can't touch this.
You can't say you can't touch this without doing the MC Hammer dance.
The MC Hammer dance. Oh, you mean this one?
Oh, yeah. Oh, I mean, stop dancing. Stop dancing, please. That's
Hey,
good.
give me that.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Maybe I shouldn't have recommended dancing. Oh, I'm sorry. I blew it.
And now I got this thing. I'm still
Wow.
in charge here. And I got the keys and I can do the dance.
Yep, you're an MC Hammer at heart. Okay, more.
You stay quiet in here.
Look more like a Vanilla Ice to me.
Well, that didn't work.
¿Qué vamos a hacer?
I'm sorry, Regina. You said distract him. I just thought try to make him dance. Oh man, you almost had the keys with that coat hanger.
I know.
You know, I keep calling you Regenius. Prove it. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. What? What?
You stay quiet in here.
We're learning Spanish.
I don't care, you're too loud. Now knock it out. I got news for you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the leader's got something in store for you.
Ooh, chocolate?
No, you guys are the new test subjects for the experimental prototypes. Ha!
I don't want to be a test subject.
Yeah, I don't want to be anyone's experiment.
All right, it looks like the hacker is going to take a nap. This is the perfect chance for me to sneak in the other room and hide. Once he goes back in, I can steal the keys and we can all escape.
Oh my gosh, look who it is. Oh boy. Wow, you are quite the dancer.
That's a gift for you, since you guys are
Hey,
trapped in here.
Dance, monkey, dance.
dance, monkey, dance.
I dance when I want to dance, not when you tell me to dance. That's how that works. Now get away from me!
Oh, oh.
You must think I'm crazy if you're gonna tell me what to do. I'm in charge. I make the rules down here.
Ah, yes,
That's
yes.
right, down to
You are the boss, man. Right, Regina? We need to keep distracting him so he can grab his keys.
We can't make him too angry. Hey, hacker. Can you teach me how to do that shimmy?
Oh, yeah, it was real nice.
So you want to learn the shimmy?
Yes.
Maybe you should stay seated, hacker, because maybe you can start with the footwork in a seated position. I think that might work out better.
You can't shimmy sitting down. Let me tell you. Right now, you just can't do it. It's impossible. If you want to shimmy, you gotta stand up.
Oh, okay, yeah, stand up.
Alright guys, I got the keys here. I gotta find a way for him to leave this room so I can let them free.
Oh, wow. Whoa.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
yeah, that's right.
I don't think we'll ever master that, ladies. That
You
looks
guys
like
haven't even tried. You try once.
no,
always hear Chad to try.
you gues try first.
Chad
You
will
try.
try.
No, I'm holding the camera. You guys need to try. Perlita, can you try the shimmy? Wow. Muy bueno, Perlita.
That's not bad. That's not bad. But still not good. So you get an F+.
You know what it is? I think it's just there's not enough space in this cell. If you open up this right here, and then we can come out there, you could teach us a little bit better.
Yes.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Let me just grab my keys here.
Oh, I was just kidding. You don't need to do it. Yeah, you don't need to grab your keys. It's fine. Just we'll stay in here. It's cool. We can here. Someone hold the camera real quick, Regina. Yeah. You know, watch my shimmy. You know, I can go like that. A little bit of like that. A little bit of this.
Oh.
How's that?
Pretty good. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
D-.
Hey.
I made it through, you guys. Now I need to find a distraction because the hacker is right behind this door.
Yeah. We'll see if you can even do it.
I'll just throw the stool here over there, making a noise, then I'll run back over there. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
What was that noise? Oh.
What
Whoa.
was that?
What was that noise? You better go check it out, buddy.
Yeah.
Yes, we got the key.
Yes. Okay, unlock.
He's coming back. He's coming back.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
natural.
He's coming back. Oh yeah. I was like this.
Oh,
right?
yeah.
I was
Very
like sad.
natural,
I was
Chad.
sad and stuff. Oh, my feelings are so hurt. Regina called me fat.
Hey, you're a crybaby. Crybaby. Oh, I'm just gonna sit here for a while.
Okay. Perlita, you distract him.
Ben,
Hello.
Here!
Secret. Yeah, he's got a big secret to tell you. And Project Zorgo's been wanting to get to know PERLITA for a long time, so.
And you don't tell me about Project Zorgo's business. I know what Project Zorgo's business is all about. I don't speak Spanish.
Well, it's too bad, because she said something really juicy.
Well, why don't you just tell me what she said?
Because I don't like you very much.
Well, I don't like you very much. I'm leaving.
I unlocked it. Yes. I unlocked the door right here. Thanks, V. She threw us the key and saved us.
Yay!
We gotta be quiet. We gotta be quiet.
So I think the way out.
Through this door. So wait, we gotta all three get through this door. Oh yeah, it's locked. Oh, we need to figure out a way to trick him to come in here, and then we can trap him in this cage right here.
Yeah, and then we can exit through the door over there.
Yeah. Okay, I got an idea. Here, Regina, hold this. V, I brought your bag. Look at this. This is the transducer. We gotta hook it up to the cool switch. We switch it to B for brown note.
Ew.
We gotta get him to come out this door right here. I'll shoot him. He'll probably poop his pants, and we throw him in this cage.
Okay.
What's going on in here?
What's the matter, Heather?
I gotta use the bathroom!
Lock it, V, lock it. Lock it.
Oh no! Oh
It's locked.
no! Let me out of here!
Did you say you have to poop?
Oh yeah, I have to poop really bad.
Oh.
Let me out of here!
Oh my gosh, you said you had to do that. Hey, let go of it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's not smelling so good in here.
All right, let's go. Let's go. Door's right here.
Let's get out of here. Come on.
Let's go. Okay, but does this one work?
Does it work?
What? It doesn't work. It doesn't work.
Wait a second. This boombox has a cassette player on it. Inside of V's bag, there's a cassette that I found. There's gotta be something on it. Let's listen to it.
Busca la lámpara.
Mi papá?
Busca la lámpara.
What do these Spanish
Busca
words
la
mean?
lámpara.
La lámpara verde.
Busca la lámpara.
verde.
What does it mean? Light.
Green. Light.
Green
Green
light.
light.
Okay,
Light.
I don't know what that means. Green light.
Behind you, Chad.
Dude, it's a light. It's green. Okay, I don't see anything special about this.
One more.
Another one.
Whoa, what's this? You see this? It's a key!
Maybe it's the key to that door. Go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I see the end of the tunnel. There's a light at the end. Okay. Oh, it feels so good to be out.
made it.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I dropped something. What is it, PERLITA?
PERLITA.
It's mi papá. It's my dad.
Your dad? What?
What?
That's your dad?
The boombox guy?
Is your dad?
What?